Buenos dias, YouTube family. Thanks for joining us this morning. I know we've been talking a lot about struggling and getting our sea legs under us, as my dad would say, the last few days. But I'm here to report back to you today that we are done surviving and it's time to start thriving. So as soon as we can get the chicas ready, we're going to head out and we're going to get after it today. So come along.
All right, chicas are ready. Let's go. So we are heading to a town about an hour or so away because there is world-class turtle nesting in this area around this time of month or next month, the next couple of months, I guess. And you have to have a guide to be able to go out and see the turtles nesting. We cannot find very much information online, so we are gonna drive to the town, check it out, explore a little, and see if we can find us a guide.
So before we came to Costa Rica, we all were in agreement that we are not gonna leave this country without seeing the turtle nesting. It's only one of a few places in the world that you can actually even see it. So we're driving up to Ostional National Wildlife Refuge, because as Ashley just said, we couldn't really find a lot of information about finding a tour guide, and you actually have to have a tour guide to even go on the beach at night. So to ensure that no mistakes are made and we don't end up missing the turtle nesting, we're just driving up there today so we can scope it all out and get prepared for a couple weeks from now. Let me see where we're at. I literally think it's right across this river too.
Oh,
yeah, that's deep.
Yeah. So what are you doing? I don't like what you're doing.
What do you mean?
So we were heading to check out the turtle place, and we're gonna have to take a bit of a detour because, well, the road's looking a little flooded, but it looks like we're gonna have to turn around and go back because of the flooding. So hopefully the next time we come over here, it won't be raining. Oh my God, they're jumping and they're so cute. Okay, let's record that. Oh my, look, he kicked. They're hysterical. Oh my God, they're adorable. I can't.
Throughout the timeline of humanity, there have been endless quotes and proverbs about the perseverance and remaining positive with a can-do attitude when confronted with adversity. Some examples of these are, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. But one of my personal favorites is from the legend himself, Mike Tyson, when he said, "Everyone has a plan until they get punched in the mouth." To me, this is a reminder of the unpredictability of life and the importance of resilience. It reminds me that while planning is crucial, it is not foolproof. We must be prepared for the unexpected and be resilient in the face of challenges. Well, today it felt like we got punched in the mouth when we pulled up to that river crossing near Ostional, Costa Rica. However, with our commitment this week to stop defending from our back foot and to start thriving in Costa Rica, we were able to quickly regroup and salvage the day that we had left. We hastily booked a horseback riding tour through the jungle just north of Samara, even though we have no horseback riding experience. In the moment, it felt reckless and uncomfortable, but in the end, it turned into a memorable experience where we all found a profound fondness for these majestic creatures and the serenity that a lazy ride through the jungle can provide. So let me give a shout out to Iron Mike and those words of wisdom that carried us through today, leaving us rejuvenated and grateful despite the setbacks encountered along the way. Oh, and Ostional, we're not done with you and the spectacle known as the Arabada. We just need a new plan. We are Blue Linen, and this is our story. There's your howlers. Of what? Oh, those monkeys aren't coming near you. There you go, Luigi. Get up there. Neither will your horse if you'll give him a little pressure. go, Mucho. Good boy. Mucho, you went on the deepest part, Mucho. Oh, get up there, Mucho. Get up there, Mucho.
His GoPro?
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's okay, it's floating right there. Thank gosh it wasn't in the deep.
You got it good, Mucho. Looking good, sailor, looking good. Hey, check this out, Ashley. I look like a pro. Woo! Catch me if you can. Yep, we don't know anything more about the great turtle spectacle of Ostional Beach than we did when we left 6 hours ago.
But it's okay, we made the best out of the situation, and we did an impromptu horse ride through the jungle and through a river, so that was pretty cool.
But we're not giving up on you yet, Ostional Beach. Give us a few days, we're gonna make another plan and we're gonna come back at you.
Oh yeah, we're not missing that.
So we decided to get in one last activity for the day before we call it a night here. We got about an hour till sunset and we're gonna make the most of it here.
We're heading to the Roca waterfall, which is about a 15-minute hike down this pretty steep little trail.
Bulky red eyes.
What is it?
A caterpillar.
Oh yeah, he looks like he would be poisonous.
For miles in spring, rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I follow my golden, golden things, gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, gold. I follow the gold.
Hi, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Sailor.
And we conquered La Roca Falls. All right, I think we're all whooped for the day, climbing up this giant hill. But please hit that subscribe button. It's completely free and we would love for you to join our YouTube family.
Hit the like button too, and also leave us a comment. We love interactions with all of you guys.
All right, good night.
Peace until next week. We pulled over to go to the bathroom on our way to the turtle nesting place and to take a break because it's pouring down rain right now. And we got a notification on YouTube that said,
We hit 100 subscribers.
Woo!
Yay! I know it's a small victory, but we celebrate all victories over here at Blue Linen.